Magandang hapon po ng Friday, May 31, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, May 31, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 31, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, May 31, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 13.5 million pesos for May 31, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, May 31, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.